Before I let you go, gonna get a geese good night, baby. Before I let you go, gonna get a geese.
What inspired you to start or join this business?
My inspiration stemmed from a deep-seated passion for industry product service.
Can you describe your target market and how you connect with them?
We focus on building relationship with our customer by providing exceptional customer service, actively listening to their feedback, and tailoring our product service to meet their specific needs.
How do you approach financial planning and sustainability for your business?
We regularly review our financial projection and adjust our strategy as needed.
What sets your business apart from others in the same industry?
We consistently strive for excellence and innovation, ensuring we remain at the forefront of the industry.
If your business was facing financial hardship, would you choose to lay off employees to cut costs or keep everyone and take on dips knowing it might jeopardize the future of the company and why?
So the best choice is the one that maximizes the likelihood of the company's survival and minimize negative impact on employees.